Are you an IT professional or a software developer? Do you want to learn more about SQL and PLSQL? In this video, we will explain the importance of SQL and PLSQL in the IT sector. SQL and PLSQL are fundamental languages for managing and manipulating databases. They play a crucial role in the IT sector, enabling efficient data retrieval and storage. By understanding SQL and PLSQL, you can become a proficient database administrator. These languages empower you to create, modify, and manage databases effectively. SQL and PLSQL are also essential for software developers. They provide the foundation for building robust applications that interact with databases seamlessly. The IT sector heavily relies on SQL and PLSQL for data analysis and reporting. These languages enable professionals to extract valuable insights from complex datasets. SQL and PLSQL are widely used in various industries, including finance, healthcare, and e-commerce. Mastering these languages opens up diverse career opportunities. Whether you are an IT professional, a software developer, or a database administrator, understanding SQL and PLSQL is essential for your success in the IT sector. Start your journey to becoming an SQL and PLSQL expert today. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more educational videos.